Imagine being able to cleanse your liver and detoxify your body effectively in just a few days. This not only makes you feel healthier but also boosts your overall well-being and mental clarity. Today, I'm going to show you how to cleanse your liver in just 3 days. I've tried countless liver cleanses before, many of which left me feeling ill and bedridden for weeks. But the liver cleanse I'm about to share with you is different and far more effective. Unlike the usual methods involving apple cider vinegar, lemon drinks, or ginger, this cleanse delivers much more impressive results. Let's explore this powerful liver cleanse together and experience the remarkable difference it can make. The question is, how does your liver actually clean the body? What are the most powerful ways to speed up this process? The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying poisons and chemicals, including medication, chemicals in food, and alcohol. It also cleans out dead cells, waste, and pathogens like microbes, viruses, bacteria, and fungi from the body. If you've ever taken biology, you'll know that inside a cell there are various components, including lysosomes. Lysosomes act like garbage disposals, burning up waste and cleaning up dead cells. They help recycle dead cells and pathogens, transforming them into new cells. This entire process is known as autophagy, where the body essentially eats some of its own tissue and recycles waste into new cells. By understanding and supporting these processes, we can help the liver function more effectively and speed up detoxification. Now, let's discuss 7 triggers for autophagy, starting with the weakest. Certain phytonutrients have a mild effect on triggering autophagy in this recycling process. Then at number 6, we have the ketogenic diet, which involves cutting down your carbohydrates. Number 5 is exercise. Exercise will trigger autophagy. Following that, we have sleep. During sleep, your body undergoes autophagy. Next is calorie restriction. Reducing your calorie intake also promotes this process. At number 2, we have water fasting, where you consume only water and no food, which is a powerful way to stimulate autophagy. However, there is one method that is 3 times more effective than water fasting. Are you ready? It's dry fasting, no food and no water. Dry fasting is arguably the most powerful way to stimulate autophagy and deeply cleanse the cells. I'm not talking about dry fasting for 12 days, that's for another discussion. I'm talking about dry fasting for just a day. You start at sunrise and break the fast at sunset. Initially, I was skeptical, but the more I tried it, the more amazed I was. 1 day of dry fasting is equivalent to 3 days of water fasting. You've probably heard that you can only survive 3 days without water. That's a myth. When you stop drinking water, your fat cells release a lot of water as they burn. But for our purposes, we're only talking about 12 hours without water. You'll be fine and will greatly enhance your immune system. Another benefit is that your kidneys and liver get a chance to rest. Often, we think we need to drink lots of water to flush out toxins. But guess what happens when you drink a lot of water? You end up urinating frequently, which makes your kidneys work hard to eliminate the excess water. Dry fasting also boosts mental clarity, promotes the growth of new brain cells, and reduces inflammation. Plus, you'll get additional dry fasting hours while you sleep, further enhancing the benefits. The second part of this cleanse focuses on eliminating toxins, poisons, and chemicals from the body. This process primarily takes place in the liver and kidneys, but also involves other parts of the body. Enzymes play a key role by breaking down these harmful substances into harmless components. This program resembles OMAD, 1 meal a day, where you eat 1 meal at sunset. This meal consists of 2 main components, a cruciferous vegetable and a protein source. Cruciferous vegetables, Examples include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, arugula, broccoli sprouts, kale, bok choy, and cabbage. Broccoli sprouts are particularly potent, being 20 to 50 times stronger than mature broccoli. You can enjoy these vegetables in salads, smoothies, or fermented forms like raw sauerkraut. Protein. Meat is rich in amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Specific amino acids, such as glutamine, help boost glutathione production. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that helps eliminate free radicals and prevents oxidative stress. Meat also provides iron and B vitamins, which support detoxification. Combining this dietary approach with dry fasting creates a powerful detoxification strategy. You will do this cleanse 3 days a month. Preventing detox reactions. To avoid adverse detox reactions that some people experience during cleansing, it's important to ensure there are no blockages in the bile ducts, which connect the liver and gallbladder. Bile sludge or gallstones can cause toxins to back up into the liver, leading to illness. To prevent this, consider taking bile salts as a supplement before starting the cleanse. This helps keep the bile ducts clear and supports the detoxification process. You can also use certain foods to help thin the bile. One of the best options for thinning bile is consuming beets. Additionally, apple cider vinegar mixed with water can be very effective. Sometimes, people start a cleanse and experience severe constipation due to a blockage in their bile ducts. In such cases, I recommend taking bile salts on an empty stomach. This helps to open up the bile ducts and relieve the blockage within hours. After learning these powerful techniques for cleansing your liver and body, start applying them today to experience the positive changes for yourself. Don't forget to share your experiences and the amazing results you achieve. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future informative guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.